Mave is a digital training course created and taught by Paula, Cafayat, and Nanda, who were also the creators of Golden Stash, Cleopatra, Zenobia, and Xena. In a nutshell, Mave teaches you step-by-step how to set up your own Google Discovery ads so you can use it to promote your affiliate offers, products, or services, along with giving you their own secret hacks and tools that has helped their ads be much more effective. Inside Mave, you will get step-by-step video instructions on how to set up Google Display ads, why it's effective, and also some advanced tips and tricks on how to improve your conversions and sales. If you've been trying to market a product or service online, you know that getting traffic is the hardest part of the job. Ultimately, you need to spend some money on paid traffic. That could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, solo ads, or Pinterest, and many others. But Google Display Ads is something worth learning because you show your ads to people in 3 major platforms: YouTube, Google Search, and even within Gmail inbox. Your ad will also show up on random websites that display ads by Google as well. What makes Mave worth buying is that not only do you get training on how to set up Google Display Ads, you also get a landing page generator inside. So if you don't have any products to sell, you can leverage the page builder to start getting your feet wet in the land of affiliate marketing, where your own sales page can be created for you within just a few clicks. For those who struggle to get approved on Warrior Plus to promote certain products, you now get 6 products to help you get started, such as Golden Stash, Nova and Forget About Broke, TweetX, Xena, and Profit Force. Then you can practice running Google Display Ads to those pages and get the commissions if anyone decides to purchase these products. On the front end, you can get the Mave training course for $12.95. You can also move your mouse to close the tab, which will reveal you a $3 discount code. For under $10, it's worth buying just to learn how to do Google Ads if you have never done one before. Whether you use it or not, knowing this will help you open up ideas in the future on how you can utilize this. The first upsell will give you access to 25 additional high-converting products and funnel pages. If you need a larger range of products to promote as an affiliate marketer, these 25 additional products will set you up really nicely. Upsell 2 is essentially a done-for-you service, where you will get an expert to set everything up for you from the funnels and ads so they can just build it all and pass the keys to you once it's ready. You also get the team to manually create the ads images for your Google Ads. Upsell 3 allows you to access all the people who has visited the Mave landing page. That means you can run retargeting ads to them to sell other similar products because you know they are interested in make money online. In Upsell 4, you will get some advanced training and secret hacks, along with a special tool to help find you create much better, more effective ad campaigns. Upsell 5 will give you the license to receive 100% commissions if you decide to promote Mave. You can choose to use their Google Ads training to sell their product Mave and get 100% of the sales, including all the upsells. Whereas by default, you usually get around 50% commissions when people buy from your link. Upsell 6 will allow you to also get 100% of the commissions from all their previous products, Golden Stash, Cleopatra, Zenobia, and Xena products. That means you can promote these products like they are your own and keep 100% of the sales, including all the upsells. But this is always available to buy later as well. So you probably don't need to get it yet until you decide later that you want to promote their products. Secret hack: if you always choose no thanks at the bottom of the page, you can activate the discounted price, which can save you a really good chunk of money. You can find the link in my description to visit the Mave landing page for more information. I hope you found this Mave review helpful. This is actually my very first product review. Would really appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more exciting product reviews that can help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and until next time.